Hi there, in this video I will show you how to create digital business cards. So for this I will take help of Canva. You need to search for canva.com and then log into your account. After logging in you will be directed to this page here. So here in search bar I will search for business cards and then press enter. So you will find different templates with different designs. So here we have 10,000 Canva templates related to business cards. So from here you can choose a design that you like the most or your client like the most, and from there you can edit it. So for an example I will go with this one here. Click on the template that you like the most and then click on customize this template. For here now you can edit each and every part of this template. So you can ask for a picture to your client if they want to add here. You can add it. So for an example, if I change this picture, so if I add this picture, just simply drag it and now it is fixed. Double tap on it and now you can adjust the image like this. Okay, now here you can add the business name and you can type something here if the name is big. Okay, then we have phone number, so you can add their phone number here, then their email address, and then their website, and then address. So the first page is done. Then we have the second page here, which is the back side. So if you want to add a barcode here or something else, you can add it, and here you can add the brand name like this. So now your business card is ready. You can simply download it, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe our channel. See you guys in the next one. Bye.